Hello, is Faltrico in the programme. Hello and welcome to the 9th episode of our brand new series where we teach you some useful Gaelic phrases that can be used in a simple conversation. In this episode, we will show you the Gaelic for discussing pets. To ask if someone has a pet, we say, Ival petichen agat. Ival petichen agat. Do you have any pets? The more formal and polite version of this is Ival petichen agaf. Ival petichen agaf. To answer this, you could say Ha petichen agam, I have pets. Or if you had more than one pet, you could say Ha da fete agam, I have 2 pets. And for 3, Ha tri petichen agam. Ha tri petichen agam. Any number past 2, you would use petichen instead of fete. We will now show you some common pet names in Gaelic. As you know, pete is pet. For more than one pet, you use petichen. Petichen. A puppy is culan. Culan. A dog, coo. Coo. A kitten, pishak. Pishak. A cat, cat. Cat. For rabbit, you have 2 ways you could say it. Either cónaineach, or robach. Robach. A guinea pig is a garavúch. Garavúch. A horse is ach. Ach. So to tell someone you have a dog, you would say ha cú acam. Ha cú acam. To say you have a cat and a dog, you would say ha cú is cat acam. Ha cú is cat acam. To say you have 2 kittens and a horse, you would say ha da fishak is ach acam. Ha da fishak is ach acam. And finally, to ask someone what the name of their pets are, you would say they in tanam ahar. They in tanam ahar. What is its name? An example of an answer could be Ha cuacum is she Glen in tanam ahar. I have a dog and his name is Glen. Or she Fluffy anam mochat. Fluffy is my cat's name. In the next episode, we will show you how to discuss things you prefer and dislike. Remember to give this video a wee like if you enjoy it, and have a look in the description box below for links to our social media pages for more Gaelic content. Mar sin éireann trasta!